In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to close a Google Cloud billing account step by step. This is useful if you're done testing Google Cloud, shutting down a project, or you just want to make sure you don't get charged again. We'll go through the official and safest way to close your billing account directly from Google Cloud. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to cloud.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns or manages the Google Cloud billing account you want to close. If you're logged into multiple Google accounts, double-check you're using the correct one before continuing, because billing permissions matter here. Once the Google Cloud homepage loads, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the hamburger menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main navigation menu for Google Cloud. From this menu, scroll down and click on Billing. This will take you to the Billing Overview page where you can see your active billing accounts, payment methods, and linked projects. On the Billing page, you'll see a section labeled Manage Billing Accounts or simply Billing Accounts depending on your interface. Click on Manage Billing to continue. Now select the billing account that you want to close. If you have more than one billing account, make sure you choose the correct one, because closing a billing account is permanent and cannot be undone. After selecting the billing account, you'll be taken to the Billing Account Details page. Here you can see linked projects, transaction history, and account settings. Before closing the billing account, it's important to understand that all projects linked to this billing account must either be deleted or moved to another active billing account. If there are still active projects attached, Google Cloud will not allow you to close the billing account. If needed, take a moment to unlink or move those projects now. Once all projects are removed or reassigned, look for the Account Management or Billing Settings section. In this area, you'll find the option to Close Billing Account. Click on Close Billing Account to proceed. Google Cloud will now show you a confirmation screen explaining what happens when you close the billing account. Read this carefully. It will mention that charges will stop, the account cannot be reopened, and any remaining balance will be charged to your payment method. When you're ready, confirm the action by clicking Close Account or Confirm. After confirmation, your Google Cloud billing account will be officially closed. You should also receive a confirmation message on screen and possibly an email from Google verifying the closure. At this point, your billing account is no longer active and you won't be charged going forward. That's it. You've successfully closed your Google Cloud billing account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Google Cloud and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.